Hi guys, ito break time lang, pauwi pa lang ng bahay. Yan, medyo makulilim pero medyo warm, hindi katulad kahapon mainit. Thanks God. Break time na naman. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, Greg Medina. Thank you, bye bye, God bless, all the best.